exposing the secret inside every warhead. It's not just explosives, it's radical rocket fuel. You need to watch this if you're obsessed with military firepower. Solid fuels first. Think aluminum powder and oxidizer, cooked into a single block. Once you light it, there's no turning back. Simple, reliable, and perfect for artillery rockets and ICBMs. Liquid fuels? That's next level. Twin tanks feed fuel and oxidizer straight to the engine. Hypergolic combos like hydrazine and nitric acid. Ignite on contact, no spark required. Throttle up, restart in flight. Ideal for cruise missiles needing total control. Hybrids mix solid fuel with liquid oxidizer, safer, more flexible. And the future? Ramjets and scramjets, breathing air, hitting hypersonic speeds. No oxidizer tanks, just pure speed. Missile edge? Solids fire and forget, instant launch. Liquids stored for years, launch on command. Scramjets 5 times the speed of sound. From battlefield to beyond, mastering fuel is mastering power. Next up, how missile defense kills hypersonics. Like and follow for more.